everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Tonight I'm going to be cooking a midweek meal. It's stuffed bell peppers. I've got some green bell peppers, I've got some red bell peppers, you know, they both taste a bit different. And yeah, I've got a lovely flavour, some filling to go inside. It's beef mince, or some people call it ground beef, and it's got various flavours. And yeah, look, please stay with me. Don't miss out, because this is a really good video and you won't be disappointed. So yeah, we're going to need 1 or 2 onions, 1 carrot, there's our mince or ground beef, we need some tomato puree, some tomatoes, some beef stock that I've got here. These are our peppers that we're going to be using. We're going to be using some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of this hot sriracha, like a chilli sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, and of course just a tiny squirt of this ketchup here. Now we can start by dry frying this beef until all this pink is all gone, and then we'll set this to one side and then prep the other ingredients. We'll start with the onion, get off all this papery stuff on the outside because we don't want that, and then we're going to cut this up really finely. And the carrots, we're going to cut these up quite small as well. Chop these into little tiny squares. We'll get off this skin on the outside, cut them first lengthways and then into tiny little cubes, just like that. There we go, that's what we want. Then into a frying pan we go with a little drop of vegetable oil, followed by our chopped up onions and our chopped up carrots. We're going to just sweat these down for a little bit, not too long, get them a little bit translucent. Meanwhile we can prepare our bell peppers. Cut the top off like this, just a little cut down the sides. Now if you put your hand inside there, if you watch this, look, that's loose already, poke your hand in there, give it a quick twist and out it comes. Just brush out a couple of those little seeds that are in there. Oh look, it keeps falling over, but I've got this covered. I'll just get a bit of this aluminium foil, this tin foil here, fold it up underneath, make a little support for it, and there we go. Perfect. Pretty cool, eh? So then we go on to the green bell pepper and do the same again. Little nick down each side of those bits there, and in, give it a twist, out it comes, sorted. Anyway guys, you get the idea. I'm going to repeat this with all 4 peppers that I'm cooking. There we go. Now, bit of aluminium foil, keep everything neat and tidy, and put them into a roasting dish like this. So back to our frying pan. In we go with the stock, and then followed by our mince, or ground beef, whatever you like to call it. Our sriracha, chilli sauce, not too much of that. Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce. I've decided to put a little drop of white wine vinegar in there. Now mix this all together, get it all incorporated. Then in with our ketchup, quick squirt of that, and of course our tomato puree, about a tablespoon, maybe 2, and another mix. Then I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes, and when everything's cooked through nicely we can start to fill the bell peppers up. We want to get these filled right to the top with this mixture. Like this. There we go, pat that down a little bit, and then a little tiny squirt of the tomato puree on each one. While it's cooking, these flavours will soak right through. Stick a bit of tomato on the top there, a little slice of tomato,
And when we've done that, a final topping of some delicious, very strong cheddar cheese. And then it's off to the oven. Gas mark 4 for about 20 minutes until the cheese has melted and got a nice little crust over the top, just like in these pictures here.
Now really and truly, that has got so much flavour. Lovely ingredients, lovely meal, a midweek meal, but a special meal for a weekend too. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine, hope you've enjoyed it. Stick with me for the next one and it won't be long, and yeah, thanks again so much. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.